Hey guys, Lo and Bo here, putting out a little teaser trailer on the project we're working on here in Stuart. If you like it, subscribe and leave a comment.
So this is the St. Lucie River we're fixing to cross. This is the original bridge connecting the bodies of water. We have a North River, South River, then of course as you head east it goes out to the St. Lucie Inlet. Laura and I make this walk almost every week, at least 2 or 3 times, and I've always wanted to kind of capture this and just give you an idea of what we see every day of our lives, and sometimes we forget about it.
Yeah, we have the Roosevelt Bridge right over there, the great big one, and then we're on the drawbridge, which is the original one, and it's where all the boats come through. And then we have the train tracks that are running next to it.
And of course, this is where the St. Lucie River heads north to our right and south, which is the Okeechobee Waterway, so you can cross Lake Okeechobee to the west coast. And a looper and liveaboard's dream is this marina right here, which is Sunset Bay Marina. I'll have some aerial coverage of that. And off in the distance to our east is Harborage Marina. It is a little bit more of a walk to get to town. About a mile, but it is substantially, I believe, cheaper, and it has really good amenities. Laura and I used to live in one of the condos there. Really nice place. But as you can see ahead, there's fishermen on the bridge, which I really think adds to the aesthetics of everything. The ambiance. And of course it can be very loud. There is a mooring field right here for Sunset Bay. And on some future video, I'm gonna get some video of Old Town Stuart and the Riverwalk, which actually is going to give you an idea of just how much Stuart has to offer.
Right there within walking distance.
As you can see, Sunset Bay Marina can accommodate some pretty large yachts, and the ones that you see here are actually some of the smaller ones, but they have everything right down to, on the opposite side, they have some lifts for your smaller boats or your center consoles.
Got a few houseboats down in there too.
What?
I said they got a few houseboats down there too. Go away.
And up ahead is the restaurant slash outdoor open bar slash entertainment for Sunset Bay. Good food, good entertainment, always very busy, especially in the evening time. Certain times of the year you can't hardly move around here.